Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make banana cow. A couple of months ago, searching for videos and ideas online, I got the specs for this one. Today I will try to make it as simple as possible. We're gonna make it as a shake and drink. So let's not waste more time and get to it. In the video I'm using 45 ml or ounce and a half of white rum. However, if you reduce it to 1 ounce or 30 ml, will result in much smoother and more balanced drink. So we take our shaker, and into the shaker we're gonna put 45 ml or ounce and a half of white rum. Okay. And then to that we're gonna add the same amount of 45 ml or ounce and a half of banana liqueur. I am using Liqueur. Any Créme de Banana will work. Depends what you have on hand and what is available in your area. Then we're gonna add 45 ml or ounce and a half again of heavy cream. And 5 ml of Grenadine. You can use a bar spoon or a measuring spoon, depending on what you prefer. So for better accuracy, I will go with the measuring spoon. So 5 ml of that. Okay. We now add some ice to the shaker. And we shake. Okay, the shaker is frosty. So, take our strainer. And we're gonna strain into our glass of choice. So we have this lovely pink color. I tried the drink before, so I know how it tastes. But I will just give it a try again. It tastes really like banana milkshake. So I definitely like this one. The main flavor is the one of the banana liqueur and the creaminess of the heavy cream. I think the Grenadine basically just give this pink color to it. So I hope you're gonna like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye everyone.